Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have taken a scenario from automatic payment program. So issue number one is that during the F110 run or automatic payment program run, you are getting this error. No bank account entered in table T042I for payment method T, currency INR. So let us go to the error. So this is the error I am talking about. No bank account entered. So although you have this error, but your payment is getting successful, you are able to make the payment. So you may think that anyway payment is happening, so let me move from quality system from development system to quality system for the UAT testing. And seeing this error, user may not accept, user may not provide the sign up saying that there is error and it has to be fixed. Until unless you fix this error, although payment is going, that we understand, but we don't want this kind of any kind of error in our FBZP. So how to fix them? So here you can see that first it is checking here, it is checking some HDFC bank, and for HDFC house bank it is not finding some bank account. Then it is going to ICICI bank and it is making payment from this account ID. So what is lacking in HDFC that it is throwing this error? So let us go to FBZP, and it is giving this table also. This table belongs to bank determination or ranking order. So you can see here this table SC16N. Seeing this table, you will get to know where the error is. Sorry, what is that table? T042I. So you can see this is something related to account determination for payment program. If you give your company code, since you have configured, you'll get to know what is this about. So here some problem is there. So this is nothing but your FBZP setting. So let us go to FBZP. So here if you can see, I have two house bank, ICICI and HDFC, and I have two payment method check and payment method transfer. So for payment method check, what I have done, I have given HDFC first ranking and I have given ICICI second ranking. But right now I'm not running for check payment method. I'm running I'm running my F110. I'm running for transfer method. So let us focus on transfer method only. So in transfer method, what I have done, for rank 1 I have given ICICI bank, and for second I have given HDFC bank. This is what I have done it. I have given currency blank because for transfer method I don't want to restrict to any particular currency invoice. I want to make the payment for all the currency invoices. So this is that. Then come back here. You can see that for I'm again telling, I'm not focusing on check payment, transfer method. So for transfer method, I have maintained the second bank account only for the ICICI bank. I have not maintained for the transfer method. I have maintained for check method but not for transfer method for the HDFC bank. Therefore, since system is not finding this setting for the HDFC bank for the method T, it is throwing the error. So what I have to do, I have to come here, I can copy, otherwise this I can copy this one only, and I can give here transfer method T also. So it appears like this. Sorry. So come up. So what I am doing here, and I should not give this currency, so let me delete it because I don't want to restrict for transfer method to any specific currency. So let me save first of all. Go to here, give HDFC, then give a transfer method. Don't give any currency, give account ID and give vendor bank detail. So check here bank GL is correct or not. One step back. So HDFC bank also it is wrongly assigned. Let me check what is the SDFC outgoing bank. SDFC outgoing bank is this. Okay, then ICICI bank is wrongly assigned. So ICICI outgoing bank is this 11 and this. So this is what missing. For transfer method I have not maintained this one setup, so therefore it is throwing the error that for HDFC bank no bank account maintained. Reason being this setup is not done. Similarly, if you see for check payment method, ICICI bank, house bank, this setup is not done. So when you run for check payment method, you'll get error for ICICI. So what you can do, you can copy this one. I can enter for ICICI. Enter here ICICI account ID and ICICI bank. Save it. So this is the first error you are getting during your automatic payment program. So if you come now here, so if you go to here log, now you will not get error. So delete the proposal and run the payment. So let us run now. So run here and check it now. Is there any error coming? So you can see that now that SDFC error itself is not coming. It is gone now. So there is no error now. You can check it here. There is no error. But now for this vendor, who have not maintained the bank detail. So this is the vendor. If you open this vendor who have not maintained the bank detail, but still system is not allowing me to make the payment. Ideally should not be the case. So let us go here, vendor number 4. So you can go to general data. You can see I have not maintained the vendor bank details, but system is not throwing any error that vendor bank detail is not maintained. You will not be able to make the payment. So this is another issue that you have to configure. So I am running for payment method T. So if you want system to check vendor bank details before making the payment, you have to go to FBZP and you have to come to here and you have to come to here bank transfer and you have to tick this bank detail required. So I am running for payment method T. Whichever payment method you run, if you want system to check vendor bank details and if it is not finding, you want system to throw error, then you have to tick this button, bank details and account number required. Now when I run payment run for T payment method, it will check in the vendor master whether bank detail is maintained or not. If it is not maintained, it will not make the payment. So let me delete the proposal and let me run the again proposal. You can check it here in the display mode. See now journal entry it is not allowing. It is telling that customer and vendor does not have any allowed bank details. Now it is checking a vendor does not have any bank details. Now it is throwing error. So until unless I maintain vendor bank detail, it will not allow me to make the payment. So it has two options. Either during the vendor creation only make this field mandatory so that user should not be able to save the vendor or BP until he gives these details. If not, this should be first this should be second check. In fact, configuration should be first check. FBZP configuration, this should be second check. So let me give here vendor details, vendor bank details, anything, and give like 11, 12, 15, something like that. save it. Then now delete the proposal. Then delete the proposal and run again. Now check it. See, now there is no error. So before you move changes from the development system to quality system, you need to make sure there should not be any kind of error. This kind of error even it can come during your support project also, but these are the major thing happens during your implementation projects. So I have recently faced this kind of issues. I mean, we have gone through them, and just wanted to share with you all. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel, like the channel, share the channel. I'll keep on posting new videos for you all. Thank you so much.